Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna share with you how you can find live video on Facebook. So if you want to watch live video, then you can easily find Facebook, because you know that Facebook is also launched video platform, so you can find live video there. So how can you do this? So before the tutorial starts, you are requested to subscribe to this channel, and if you face any problem, let me know in the comment below. I will give you a solution video. Okay, so let's begin the tutorial. Okay, we need to go Facebook. Here you can see the Facebook apps. Okay, this is Facebook app. So make sure that you have already updated your Facebook apps from Play Store or App Store. Okay, so after updating your Facebook apps, we need to go here. You can see. Okay, I'll show you. And this one, this icon, video icon, click on it and click on here. You can see this one, search. Okay, click on it. So you can write anything, whatever you want, and I just show you the example football. Okay, football match. I want to watch football live match right now, so I just search on this term, football match. Okay, so you can write anything you want to watch live. Okay, so I just football match, then click on it, and then you can find a lot of video, but this video is not a live video. Okay, they are created video. So if you want to find a live video, then you have to follow this. Okay, just I will show you the process. How can you find? Okay, you can see here filters option, the first one. Okay, click on it, and here you can see the bottom side pop-up background. Here you can see three options: shot by, date posted, and live. So just check mark the live video and show result. After doing all this thing, you can see here just live video. So some video was live, and some video some videos are live in right now. Okay, so you can see a lot of live video. These videos are all like live video. Okay, so you can find it easily. So friends, today's no more. I think, or I hope this video was very helpful for you. So please, if you like this video, then give a like video and give your opinion for this video, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.